Play. Okay, what's that? It's that wool art maybe. Okay, adding some wool. It looks okay, just burning it up. Play. Okay, what's that? This guy is using paint to create those colors on that. Okay, I don't know, that rock or something. Building maybe. Okay, it feels like a bear. Okay, finally it will look like a bear is going on sideways and it will give you a 3D look. Okay, that looks like he is under that prison. Oh, that looks too amazing, man. Okay. Uh, I I don't know what to say about this waste of colors, but let's just see final result. He's just not wasting those colors, he's creating realism. That's good. Not making just abstract thing. Ah, it looks cool. Yeah, of course. Play. Okay, what's that this guy is doing? Okay, he's making just some type of art, maybe, I don't know, on street. Okay, on road, of course. Okay, he's using the charcoal to create those, charcoal and chalk. Okay, it looks like, okay, that looks like something, bridge or something. It looks cool. That goat will be like, we are going. Okay, let's just see. It's just exaggerated thing, man, because it gives you 3D look at some perspective. Play. Okay, what's that? It looks like a panda or something. Okay, adding some more colors to it. Okay, that's in spray paint. Let's just see why he's burning, I don't know. Okay, so that it gets heated and soaked just fast. Oh, that clouds looks too amazing, man. That spray paints are too good too. He's using those newspapers to create those different type of layers. Ah, that tree looks too amazing, man. This is how you should use colors, man. Okay, adding some more details. When that panda thing will be lifted, it will give you a totally do good look, man. Okay, what's just remaining thing? Okay, yellow and green type of trees. Okay, of course, rocks. Ah, that fountain is giving too good look, man. Ah, this guy is amazing, man. Ah, that birds, just remove that panda, man. Ah, of course, that looks too good. Nah.